Filing fraud could hit an all-time high thanks to the Equifax breach last year. But even if your identity wasn't stolen, you could still fall victim to some very slick tax scams. Email from the IRS? Beware. It may say, click here to see your refund, or click here because they found a problem with your return, but the IRS does not call or email people about problems. A new scam for 2018 is where scammers are now using your actual bank account to deposit a fake refund. They then contact you posing as an IRS agent. They threaten you with criminal fraud charges if you don't give it back. TurboTax says scammers are sending emails claiming there has been a problem and you need to recover your account. Another version claims your W-2 or tax refund is ready for you to see, but never log in if you can't be really sure that the email came from TurboTax. I'm 5 on your side investigator Jonathan Walsh for the E-Team.
All right, baseball.